Om. Spiritual truth number 2, unity in diversity. Behind the names and forms, there is the universal life. Try to feel the reality underneath the forms. The same life that throbs or pulsate in you is throbbing in ants, dogs, elephants, and all creatures. Realize your identity, intimate relationship with all creatures. There is only a difference in degree in manifestation or expression. All forms belong to God. What is common in sun, moon, stars, chain, walls, stones, animal, birds, and human being? Existence. A table exists, a tree exists. Existence is the Sat aspect of Sat Chit Anand Brahman. Sat is existence. Chit is consciousness. Anand, happiness. There is only an apparent difference in bodies and minds. There are differences in colors and opinions. Atman is the same in all. A thief, a prostitute, a scavenger, a king, a rogue, a saint, a dog, a cat, and a rat all have the same common Atman. Ignore the false appearance and differences. Take out the essence of reality. From such practice, you will derive inexpressible joy. All hatred will cease. You will develop cosmic love and unity of consciousness. This will be the rare, magnanimous experience. This will eventually result in the Vedantic realization of oneness, Advaita. Om Tat Sat.